Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can link your Slack account to your Claude account. Once you've signed into Claude, we're going to want to navigate to the Connectors tab, which we can find by clicking on the Customize button here on the left-hand side of our screen, and then clicking on Connectors, and then at the top, Add Connector. So if you don't see Slack here, just click on Browse Connectors at the top, and then type in Slack in the search bar. As you can see, I've already linked mine, so it should be good to go. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to sign in, and really shouldn't take that long.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
But once it's linked up, you're going to be able to integrate Slack into your prompts. So I'll show you an example right here. So what are the most important messages sent to my Slack inbox? You can treat Claude as sort of like your personal assistant. You can ask it to summarize messages for you and maybe send some out. So let's see if it works as intended right now. And as you can see, it's successfully been able to summarize the important messages in my inbox that I've sent today. So you can also integrate Slack with your Google Calendar and ask it to schedule meetings and place them in your calendar on your behalf based on your conversations in Slack. Let's see if I can send a message out through the prompt in Claude real quick. The message should be about a theme. As you can see, the integration is done really nicely, and the draft is very well put together. So you can really streamline your work communication process by a good deal once you've integrated your Slack account into your Claude workspace. So I'm going to go ahead and click on send, and let's see if it's been sent. As you can see, the meeting has been sent. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.